In the first half of 2023, Mandiant Managed Defense observed a threefold increase in the number of attacks using infected USB sticks. These incidents affect both the public and private sectors worldwide. In response to these increasingly complex threats, TYREX and GLIMPS have joined forces to offer a unique cleaning station, combining the expertise of both companies and available in both SaaS and on-premise versions. Compatible with all your USB devices, cell phone, external hard drive, or USB stick. With up to 5 antiviruses, TYREX's USB decontamination solution scans USB flash drives and prevents the intrusion and propagation of malware. In the face of increasingly sophisticated threats capable of bypassing conventional detection solutions, the addition of GLIMPS's unique technology, combining deep learning and machine learning, now enables identification of the most sophisticated malware and malware variants, thanks to a detailed analysis of the code, which is disassembled, translated into concepts, and compared with known binaries. In just a few seconds, you'll have a precise verdict on the contents of your USB stick. Through an easy-to-use interface, you can take immediate action, like, for example, certifying the key for use on all company workstations. For a precise overview of threats, instantly generate a simplified report.